prayed for rain. But they weren't ready for the hurricane. You've been holding back for way too long. Playing it safe, keeping your head down. Fuck that. It's time to rip the chains off and show them the beast inside. Let the thunder roar in your chest. Stand up and become the storm. Become the storm. Become the storm. Break the chains. The wind is picking up. You feel that electricity in the air? Don't run from it.